Hi, QT Grace here. Today we are going to draw a polar bear. So let's get started. First, draw a curve. Connect it downwards. Curve to the right. And outwards again. Now we will draw its ear. A curve. And another curve again. For the inside, a small curve. And a small curve again. Now we will draw the scalp, a curved line to the right, and then we will be drawing like this. And a curved line again. Now draw the eyes, a big circle, and another big circle. For the inside, add the eyeballs, a small circle, and now we will add some detail to the eye. Slowly. For the nose, I will draw like a heart shape. And draw the mouth. For the scalp, I will add some detail to it. For the eyes, I will color it back here, and the nose spread here, and then now we have a polar bear. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.